In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery of this Ram 2500 key fob. This key fob has been used since 2019 all the way up to present day, and inside we will find one CR2450 battery. If you want to get one of these online, I'll put a link in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and then just go ahead and follow along. Very simple. Start by just pressing this button on the side of the key fob to remove the internal key. Now we're going to be removing this back part. It's just a thin piece of plastic. You can see here there is an opening right here, and on the other side right there. The easiest thing you can do is take something like a precision screwdriver. If you don't have something like this, you can pick one of these up on Amazon. A little set. It's just a couple of bucks, and it's really helpful around the house, and it's going to help you to do this safely. So what you do is you insert into the hole and just lift upwards. Just pry up until you've cracked open this side of the key fob, and then you will do the same on this hole on the right. You insert it and lift up. And what we have is a little opening there. You can just now finish it with your fingers and pull the whole thing off. Oops. Now if you don't have one of these precision screwdrivers, you can do it with a regular screwdriver. I'll show you how to do that right now. Even a big one like this, it's a little bit, you might just scratch up the plastic a little bit, but if you're careful, it won't damage it at all. You're again just going to come in where that opening is, right on the seam. And you just want to wiggle it until you can kind of get in enough to twist. Just wiggle it in and then turn slightly like a key. Get the left side, and then with this little opening on the right side, same thing. Go in and twist, and it will come off just like that. Now we have our battery. What we do is we pull it down so that the lip of the battery gets free from the little ridge here, and we can pull it out. There's our 2450 battery. Take a new one, make sure the positive side goes face up, and slide it down into place and just push it up like that. And now all we need to do is click the back on. Make sure it is all lined up. Put the key back in, and you are good to go. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And for more information on how to change the batteries for any of your key fobs from any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.